we are getting the interesting part of it, which is getting the customers. And that's the most difficult part for any business, to gain trust, to get those customers go and sign up and use your product and like your product. And so we are just entering that part right now, and I do have quite a lot of, I do have few ideas of how do I want to proceed with that going forward. But to do that, I really need to have app released to the Apple Store. And this is why my focus today was first of all on releasing some social media stuff on LinkedIn, Twitter, here on TikTok. As well, I've tried on Instagram back because over there I have around 1,000 followers that I've gained a year ago actually. And so that's what I was doing today, but unfortunately for some reason I cannot solve the issue that I have over there. Hence I failed really releasing the app, and that is a quite big problem, because if I won't have both Apple and Google Store, I will message people blindly really, without really knowing whether they have Android or whether they have Apple. And so I will message them, or I will do all of those marketing stuff, and some of the people won't, they will be reached, but they won't be able to install the app that will help them really take control of their life through money management and data management. And so if I won't be able to do it, if we're not going to get that momentum going, it's not going to be very fun thing running that company, because obviously whenever you build something, whenever you create something new that is helping people, you should have fun with it as well. And so as far as I won't be able to do it, I won't have fun really. And that's going to be more tiring than it's supposed to be. That's why it's really important to know what you want to do, in what direction you want to go, because it's just easier. You have more pleasure with doing what you're supposed to do. If you don't know what to do, if you don't know how to react to certain decisions, you're getting stressed, right? So that's why it's good to have any plan. And the same is with finances. It's amazing to have the plan for your finances, so you know where you're going. And so that's why one of my missions, one of my goals in that app was to create the future of your money. So that app will show you how much money will you have based on your finances. And if you will want to make any kind of decision right now, it will show you how that will impact the future decisions, the future balance of your account. So you can expect, where you're going. So you don't have to stress right now about what's going on, what's going to be in the future, because you know right now what's going to be in the future. And so that's why it's super important to me to actually release it. And I hope that within the next few hours, because I've spent whole day trying to fix the error after error, with the next few hours or maybe tomorrow, I will finally get to that point. Maybe I'll ask some guys, but they are fixing some errors, I guess, on the stuff that we haven't released yet. Fortunately, the stuff we have released, that they're working fine. And so now I just need to make sure that the app is in Apple Store, and then I can go full on with my whole marketing plan that I have and onboard as many users. Right now we have 7 users, which is not the best, because my goal by Saturday is to get to 50. But again, maybe that goal would be achievable if I would have Apple application as well released. But right now we are just dealing with Android app, and it doesn't go very well, unfortunately. We didn't onboard anyone yesterday. All of those 7 people were from yesterday. So I guess there is a lot of work ahead of me, especially with marketing, with getting your trust and getting you to use the beautiful product that we've built and that I personally love. Obviously, if I wouldn't release it. I just hope that you guys gonna get as much value out of it, and you will see the, you know, what I would like you to see, which is how much money you have and how really all of your decisions today have impact in the balance in the future. So finishing with this, thank you very much for joining me today as always, and I see you tomorrow.